Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. So here we have another summary based question. So the directions for question is what? There is a passage given below which is followed by four alternate summaries. We need to choose the option that best captures the essence of the passage. Now, if you look into this particular text is all about like 50 to 60 words, not more than that. And let's see what does this text point out. I hope you have read this text and got some ideas. Let's see that. So the text begins with nanotechnology refers broadly to a field of applied science and technology whose unifying theme is the control of matter on the atomic and molecular scale, isn't it? So normally 1 to 100 nanometers and the fabrication of devices with the critical dimension that lie within you can say that that size range. It is a highly multidisciplinary field drawing from fields such as applied physics, material science, interface, and colloid science, device physics, supermolecular chemistry, which refers to the area of chemistry that focuses on the non-covalent bonding interactions of molecules, self-replicating machines and robotics, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, biological engineering, and electrical engineering. Much doubts or speculation exist as to what may result from these lines of research. So, nanotechnology can be seen as an extension of existing science into the nanoscale or as a recasting of existing science using a newer, more modern term. Okay, so we have just got the idea about the nanotechnology and stated about what at the end of it that means how the research on nanotechnology uh, ends up pointing nothing but as an extension of existing sciences into the nanoscale. Let's see that what are the option points out. The first option says nanotechnology is a highly multidisciplinary technology for the control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale, the fabrication of devices at that scale. In future, existing science may extend to nanoscale. Option 2 pointed nanotechnology whose theme is the control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale and the fabrication of devices at the scale draws from various fields from applied physics to electrical engineering. The future of nanotechnology is rife with doubts or speculation. Now, uh, if I move to the this particular option one, so if you see that nanotechnology is a highly multidisciplinary technology for control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale and the fabrication of devices at that scale. Now this one is called as a kind of a biased or prejudiced, right? So why it is known as a biased? In because it's not the complete one. The second sentence where you would find out in future existing science may extend to nanoscale, right? This makes a kind of a statement with a biased or prejudiced or partiality, which has not been, you know, uh, considered as the whole idea or the whole summary of the text. It is nothing but a part of the idea. So there, look at the option two. Option 2 pointed uh, nanotechnology whose theme is the control of matter. So if I talk about option 2, it states what? Rife with speculation. Do you see that? Rife with speculation, isn't it? So that is what at the end of the sentence which is pointed. The future of nanotechnology is rife with speculation. Now in that case, which is completely, irrelevant into the context, irrelevant, irrelevant to the paragraph and has not been even mentioned, right? So you can say that it distorts the summary. It is not the main idea or it is not the summary of the original text. Look at the option 3. So if you look at the option 3, what does it say? It is stated nanotechnology, whose theme is the control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale, yes, and the manufacture of devices at that scale, yes, draws from various fields in future. What do you find out? Nanotechnology may impact all other sciences, may, right? So, may impact uh, all other sciences. Therefore, people are going for the applied physics, material science, interface, and colored science, device physics. So, all such kind of a things are given, right? So, uh, if I look into this one, right, option three is the best way to summarize the given passage. It remains neutral, right? Isn't it? It remains neutral uh, by using the word, you can say that may impact, which I pointed here, may impact in the second sentence as suggested by the paragraph. But before we go to the option four, means look at the means look at before I consider that option three is the answer. Let's look at the option four. So option 4 said nanotechnology, whose aim is the control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale and the production of devices at the scale, draws from various fields. The future of nanotechnology is unsure. Right, obviously incorrect as it states that the future of nanotechnology is unsure. Right, so which is not true. What may result from these lines of research is different from the future being uncertain. Right. So, in that case, if you talk about option one and two, which are indicating that existing science possibly extend to nanoscale biased. So, second one is nothing but a rife with the speculation, right? So, which is completely irrelevant, and option four, which is indicating uncertain. So therefore, option one, two, four are means eliminated. Option three would be the best answer to this question, right? So why? Because option three, not, it is indicated about what nanotechnology, whose theme is the control of matter at the atomic or molecular scale and the manufacture of device at that scale, draws from various fields in the future. Nanotechnology may impact all other sciences. It accurately representing that original text. Option 3 represents the main theme of the passage. It mentions the theme of means nanotechnology. What is the theme? The theme is called as a nanotechnology, right? Which is the control of matter at the atomic of or molecular scale and the manufacture of devices at that scale. It also correctly identifies the multidisciplinary nature, multidisciplinary nature, right, of nanotechnology, of nanotechnology, right? So drawing from various fields, right? So, and if you talk about that neutral tone it creates, right? This option maintains a neutral tone, avoiding biased statement, right? So which you find out in option one, but you won't find out in this option three, right? Avoiding biased statement or unnecessary speculation about the future of nanotechnology. It appropriately states that nanotechnology may impact. So that is what may impact. So may impact all other sciences, reflecting the speculative nature mentioned in the original passage. Consistency with the passage, the summary aligns with the information provided in the passage about the multidisciplinary nature of nanotechnology and the doubts about its future outcome. It avoids introducing irrelevant or you can say that misleading information. So, in summary, offer option three effectively capture the essence of the passage without introducing bias or irrelevant details, making it the most accurate and appropriate summary. Hence, we consider option three will be the correct one. Hope you understood.